So I got this magnetic building tiles from Amazon. I bought this for my toddler and she's turning 3, but this toy, she loves it. Like, she gets so very excited playing with this because it helps her explore what kind of buildings that she's gonna build, like what kind of things she can do with it. Like, it enhances her creativity.
And Mermaid, Mommy.
Right, okay. Can you put it? And it helps her explore different shapes of it. Like, I definitely recommended this to all mommies out there like me. It is safe to play too, and plus it is very soft, like very safe to play. Like, it's not sharp. And I definitely don't think that your daughter can get choked with this as long as she is not under 2 years old. This is very a baby-friendly toy, and plus I play it with her because it helps her to learn what I'm building, and she learns from it. And she's able to create on her own style. So I definitely love it with the price of it. It's very affordable and very good quality. Thank you.
What's that noise? It's coming from the tree. It's Tiddles the tortoise. Naughty Tiddles, come down at once. I can shake the tree to get Tiddles down. Is that a good idea? Tiddles fell on Petra's nose. My nose hurts.
Dr. Brown there, speaking. I'll follow to nose, you say. I'll be right there. Hello, where is the patient?
As he's playing with them, I literally took it out of the box. I broke them. I'm very careful with everything. Obviously, this is all they give you, and this is leaving stuff all over my finger. Save yourself the hospital trip, dude. Don't buy these. Garbage ready. Garbage ready.
Un juego para Hannah.
Sí. ¿Por qué no y deshaces ya de algunos de los que ya tienes amontonados por todos lados?
Sí, ya no lo voy a deshacer. But it has pretty cool instructions, how to create things, but it's best to be used as additional pieces and not as a first set. That's why I gave it a 4/5. What'd you say about these?
I really like these.
You really like them?
Yeah.
Are they a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too much fun.
Too much fun. Okay, come on, we gotta go. It's okay. It's okay if they're out, big guy. Good job. Yep, just leave it like that. Are those the best?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also had a big box of these.
You need more construction ones? Okay.
We really enjoy these magnet blocks. They stay together really well. I actually like them even better than Magna-tiles. They're really hardy, strong, really brilliant colors. They're great for making stained glass pictures, and there's just a lot of different shapes and sizes that come with it.